Hello, good evening. It's about around 9 o'clock in the evening. Bago matulog, vlog muna ako. I-vlog ko lang itong 10 top movies in the world 2023. Yan, nung 2023 pa ito Pag nagustuhan nyo, mag-comment po kayo sa baba para i-ano ko yung 2024. Now, this top 10 movies includes yung worldwide box office. Worldwide po yan. Ano po ang number 10? Ang number 10 is Bonnie Bears, which has a $276 million, $297,758 dollars po yan Number 9 is Bad Boys. Yan. $299 million, $870,553 worldwide gross sales nila. And number 8 is Article 20. No, or Article 2 siguro ito. Nalagyan ko lang ng Article 2. Paki-ano nyo na lang sa Google. Baka magkamali ako. Nagkamali. Which has a gross sales worldwide of $339 million, $663,274. Yan, Article 2. O marahil Article 20. Number 7 is Kingdom of the Apes. Planet of the Apes, which has a $386 million, $165,688 worldwide sales. Gross nila. Dati, nung binata pa ako lalo, wala akong napapalagpas na movie. Sabihin natin, nagkaroon ako ng movie addiction. Kasi, ina-advertise nila yung susunod na movie. Kaya lagi akong napapanood nila. Okay, number 6 is no other than Pegasus 2, which have a whopping gross sales worldwide of $469,857,217. And number 5 is YOLO. YOLO, YOLO, which has worldwide sales of worldwide box office ito $479,597,304. Yan ang gross sales nila worldwide. Number 4 is Kung Fu Panda. Yan, which has worldwide box office of $545 million, $529,552. Yan. And Godzilla is number 3. Godzilla is $569 million, $907,104. In terms of dollar yan. Dollars. Number 2 is June Part 2, which has a whopping worldwide box office sales of $710 million, 865,636. And do you know what is number 1? Inside Out. Yan. Inside Out. Part 2. Which has $880 million, 306,043. Those are the 10 top movies in the world 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to plug the TPC Scrap Enterprises, and we are having an advertisement Philippine-wide, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, lalo na't may Transportify na at sea. So, ano na sa dagat, hindi na lang land. Yan ang ginagamit natin sa karagatan, ang pag-transport ng inyong mga scrap papers and metals. If you have 300 boxes of papers or 5 tons of 20 tons of metals, I am wrong. 20 tons of papers and metals, kasi manggagaling sa sa Visayas at Mindanao, minimum natin 20 tons. At dito lang sa Metro Manila, nag-haul tayo, free tracking. Nag-haul tayo ng papel at saka bakal, 300 boxes of papers or 5 tons of metals. Hinahakot po natin yan, libre na po ang tracking. Free milling or destruction of highly confidential documents. Sa ibang kumpanya po ay 20 pesos per kilo ang destruction of confidential documents. Pero sa atin, free po yan. At milling pa. Obsolete na po ang shredding, destruction of confidential documents. Kasi napagtatagpi-tagpi sa mga kumpanya na inaalaw nilang punit-punitin lang, minsan isang punit, napagtatagpi-tagpi po yan. Obsolete na po ang shredding, baka makasunog ng building ang mga shredders kasi hindi magkatugma ang kanilang current capacity, ang kanilang natawag na kuryente. Iwasan po ninyo masunugan kayo ng building. Katulad ng Land Bank, dati kinuha ang serbisyo namin, pinadala yung shredder doon sa building nila. Umusok. Huwag na natin hintayin na masunog pa ang building. Oo. Ibibigay namin ang libreng serbisyo natin with certification of confidentiality with non-disclosure warranty. After haul, 5 days. Within 5 days of haul. Pag na-haul po ninyo. So, imimil po natin yan, tubig, hangin, at sabon. It produces bubbles to eliminate all the printed name, or all the printed ink on papers. Okay, that's all, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I-like po ninyo para updated kayo sa mga bagong upload na video katulad dito. Take charge. Bye-bye. Good night.